In this video, I'm going to talk about how one can download and install Microsoft Office in 2025. No crack, no subscription. That's the plain installation. Okay. A lot of videos going to show you exactly the same. They're going to show you the plain installation, maybe through the custom way, but in actual, there is no license. And if in case your one is working, this is due to the reason in your system, Microsoft Office license is already installed. And if you are the victim of one where you've gone through such video, then I am going to show you how you really can get Office for free. So you can get Office for free if you are a student, or let's say you are a developer, you can get E5 subscription, or you want to use Microsoft Office online. That's how also you can get Office for free. Or let's say you are an employee and work for a certain company and they also use Microsoft Office for enterprise. That way you're gonna get 30% discount. So these are only the genuine method how you can get Office for free, no crack, no subscription. Okay, let me show you how you can get that Office. For that, first of all, I am going to open Microsoft Edge browser. So let me hit here on menu button and type EDGE. And now I'm gonna open office.com. Now, if you are new to Microsoft Office, you require to create your account. And I believe most of us already have, as Microsoft Windows also required account. So you need to use the same account, okay? And if in case you don't have, then let me actually open it in incognito so that I can show you how you can create. All you need to do is you need to click on sign up. And then here you can clearly see it is written free version of Microsoft Office. Now you need to enter your email address. It can be of Gmail, then click on next. And then here you need to verify. And that's how, guys, we can create our account. After the account is being created, use the same to sign in. Now after we have signed in, we will be opening this kind of interface. Now click on apps. When you click on apps here, you're gonna see all the apps that is available at your disposal. Now let's say you want to work on Microsoft Word, click on that and then you will see Microsoft Word. Even better, press F11 and you're gonna see it full screen. And now let me show you how you can install it in your system. No crack, no subscription. Okay, so that's enough of a joke. Click here on this three dot and then go to apps and then click on install this site as an app. And then click on install. And there we go. So here you are getting option to add it in your pin bar, into your taskbar, so that you do not need to visit or repeat all these steps again. And you're gonna get desktop app-like experience. And now here on the bottom, you can see the app is also asking if we want to pin this to our taskbar. So I'm gonna say yes. Once you do that, your app will always remain here in your taskbar. And anytime whenever you want to access Microsoft Word, you can click on it and there we go. So you can see Microsoft Word have been successfully installed in your system. Now simply click on create blank document and you can get started. The good thing about this version is that you're gonna get even more features than so-called lifetime version. In this particular version, you're gonna get connected features. For example, dictate function. So this dictate function does not exist when we talk about the offline variant, or when we talk about, let's say, another app, for example, PowerPoint. In case of Microsoft PowerPoint, you will see that features like PowerPoint design ideas are also available at your disposal. That again, you will not find it in so-called lifetime version because of, that version is built like that, completely offline. Microsoft Office do not provide any connected features there. So this Microsoft Office, first of all, is completely free. Secondly, it also comes with more advanced and connected features. And third, you do not need to worry about saving your document because your document is always on autosave mode. Let's say if I am working on Microsoft Excel and I have created this. Now here, whatever you do and you close this, you do not need to worry about, because even you have not pressed save button, because next time when you open, you will see that the document was automatically saved and then you are not worrying about anything. So this is power of this Microsoft free version that you should install if you are looking for free of cost Microsoft Office. I hope that I was able to clarify your doubt and misconception. Subscribe to Technoholic for more such office and office productivity related tutorials, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.